How to make ChatGPT stop repeating what you said. First of all, open the application itself, then tap on these two horizontal lines on the top left corner of your screen. Tap on your profile icon right next to this magnifying glass on the top right corner. Then head to personalization option, then tap on this text box where you will find this custom instructions. Now, what you can do is within this text box, you can choose to give a identity or personality to your AI. Simply type in this exact prompt. Once you're done, tap on this tick mark on the top right corner of your screen. Head backwards and tap on this text box once again, then type in your prompts, any questions, or any analysis. From here, ChatGPT will now stop repeating what you said. Hope this video helps you out a lot. If you have any questions or queries, please do comment down below.